Easter surprise! It is Easter. Grandpa Pig has hidden lots of candy eggs in the grass.
Who wants to look for Easter eggs?
Asked Grandpa Pig.
I do,
Shouts Peppa Pig. Me too, shouts Freddy Fox.
After you find all the eggs, Granny Pig has a surprise for you,
says Grandpa Pig. The children find candy eggs hidden all over the garden.
This one smells yummy,
says Peppa. She takes a big bite. Granny Pig comes outside.
We found all the Easter eggs,
says Peppa. I like the chocolate ones best, says Rebecca Rabbit.
Wonderful,
says Granny Pig. Now it's time for your special surprise. Follow me. Granny Pig takes the children to the chicken coop to see Jemima, Sarah, and Neville. Their eggs have hatched. Now there are 3 baby chicks, just in time for Easter. Cheep, cheep, say the baby chicks. Cheep, cheep, say the children. They all love Granny Pig's Easter surprise. Happy Easter! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Peppa Pig stories, check out my Peppa Pig playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.